Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ismukri bin Muhammad Fahmi and I am from J4EM11048. So my matric number is 2019-2019-82. So for this video, I will explain one of the turning process that I have do in the MEM 360 from the for the lab turning process for experiment 1. So let's go. So I will explain the finished grooving in number 6. So this part A, we go through part A. So the machine process is the name is finished grooving, and the part B is the first one is the holder that is used in this turning process is parting turning or the grooving tool harder, and the cutting tool is insert tungsten carbide or parting grooving. So how do we get? So from the appendix portion, this is the parting turning tool holder, grooving tool holder, and the insert tungsten carbide for parting grooving, which is this one, number 6, for the parting turning tool holder, and also the insert tungsten carbide for the parting in the appendix workshop. So there are no application and also no boring type and also the size millimeter that occur in this part B in the Gigan fixture use. So we go to the description. So the first one is the cutter material. So why it is used a carbide? Because in the lab turning and milling process, it also always use a carbide to get easier. So the cutting speed is that is given is 305 meter per minute, and the workpiece diameter is 22 millimeter. So from the I get the 22 millimeter is from the diagram, which is this one. So the machine maximum is 6,000, and also the cutting edge is given is 1, and the spindle load that's been given is 4,410 RPM, and also the chip load is 0.673 millimeter and revolution. So to calculate the feed rate, we use the littlemachineShop.com. So we just fill it, which is a 305 for the cutting speed. The workpiece diameter is 22, and the machine max is 6,000 as been given. The cutting edge is 1. The chip load is a 0.673, and after we calculate, we can get a 2,971 millimeter per minute. That has been shown on the answer. So the estimate to calculate the estimate time is the length of cut divided by feet. So the length of cut is 28 millimeter. So how to get the 28 millimeter is from the diagram, which is 50 millimeter divided by 22 millimeter, and we can get the 28 millimeter of the length of cut that you want to cut, and divided by the feet that has been calculated before, which is the 2,971 millimeter per minute. And after we calculate, we can get 0.0009 minute for the estimate time. So this is the graphic illustration of the finished grooving process. This is the process where the graphic illustration of the finished grooving, which is we can see that we finish the part that the finish the part of the turning process.